Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KRISHA Vlogs. In today's video I'm going to address you what is the Salesforce, what are the different job options available and why it is the number one CRM in the world, and definitely what is the eligibility so that who can learn Salesforce, and what is the jobs in Salesforce which are in demand. So these are all we are going to discuss today in this video. So let's get started. So guys, Salesforce now it's like number one CRM in the world. Why? What is the reason it made the number one CRM in the world? Is because Salesforce, it's like it's always the I can say Salesforce is when you get a full form, what it is, what it does is Salesforce is the CRM, which is a customer relationship management software or the tool, you can say. And what is that does is actually it has a lot of clouds, like you can say different functionalities they have provided in the Salesforce, and it is basically a cloud based. So that's why, like just how the other companies use the Salesforce is just they pay the license to the Salesforce and they start using it. So hence a Salesforce, it has provided for the customers from, like if example, if you take any business to run, it should start from marketing and it should go with the sales, and the process will continue until the sales is finalized and you are going to your dailies fulfilled. So in Salesforce, these all things to happen, they have developed all the functionalities in a form of clouds. Like if you are dealing with any marketing related functionalities, they have put that all that in a cloud and made it as an Pardot or marketing cloud. And even they have a sales cloud, so wherein all sales related functionalities, these all will be covered in a Salesforce. And coming to, you have service cloud as well, because whenever any sales is happening in any business and comes the next the service, so these all service related functionalities, these all functionalities is all will be included in the service cloud. And also for the external users, they have introduced a new community cloud as well. And they have even introduced instant reports and dashboards, like how you are analyzing the data analytics. These all can also be shown through Salesforce. And why it's like something, you can say, evergreen or something, it is retaining all, because most of Fortune 500 companies, they use the Salesforce. And right now Salesforce has made something like their license fee reduced, even so that medium scale businesses as well, small scale businesses as well, they can use the Salesforce. So, and also it is for every release, it is planning new functionalities to update its CRM. Hence it is the number one CRM in the world. So if it is number one, definitely it's like it's going on and on. So hence even we can look for the job options as well in that CRM. So when you say what are the job options available in Salesforce, because as I'm as a Salesforce tech lead, you can ask me even that also, so I can explain you that. Like if you are like basically some candidate who are looking for any career, whether maybe you are a graduate or you are just IT professional looking for any course what I need to maybe pursue with, so you can go with the Salesforce. So in the Salesforce, how what are the things we can learn is as an admin, because basic when you are learning any Salesforce CRM, so basic thing is we need to learn all the configurations irrespective of any job role. So the configurations related to in Salesforce, we have a different concept, something like maybe workflows, automations, how the database is maintained. These all things will be in Salesforce. So the first job we can say in Salesforce is a Salesforce admin. So in admin, basically all the configuration related things, or else the data migration, this all happens in the Salesforce admin job level. But when it comes to development, because many companies, they took the license of Salesforce and they have the more functionality not even the Salesforce has provided. So how it goes is, like they hire few developers, Salesforce developers, and they try to add few functionalities and make developers to code related to their functionalities. So that's why Salesforce developers are going to be hired when any extra functionalities to be added to the Salesforce. Or else even they can go for Salesforce business as an analyst. That means if you are like previously, if you are working even in a non-IT company also, but you are good at communication skills and how you are getting the requirements from the client and all, just you can just understand about the CRM. So when you just understand about the Salesforce CRM, then definitely you can switch your career from non-IT to IT through Salesforce also. Even that is also possible. And now in development, previously it was some components to be developed in or some components, but now it's like they are using lightweight components, so which is also called Salesforce LWC. So when we need to have some JavaScript programming knowledge, as well as how we are going to create the components in LWC. So that also it's like come under the part of a Salesforce developer. So guys, these are the different job options available for the Salesforce.